Motivated family. What's happening, man? Got cookie out, y'all. You know, by yourself, letting them figure some things out. Why I'm out here, man, I just wanted to drop in, let y'all boy know, man. To live is to learn. And the only way you learn is by making mistakes and taking losses. You know what I mean? Your loss is gonna define who you are. I mean, not your wins, it's your losses. Dig what I'm saying? If you lose, accept your loss and build on that shit. Every great fighter lost. Manny Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather, Mike Tyson, Muhammad Ali, Joe Frazier. You know what I mean? They all took losses. But they went back to the drawing board. They see where they made their mistakes at. They learn from it. And they move on. Dig what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do in life or in this bully game, man. Dig what I'm saying? Take your losses, build on it. You know what I mean? And keep moving. That's it, man. That's all I want to say, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all long. I mean, I just had that on my mind, you feel me? Till the next time, that boy be great. Stay motivated. Yes, sir.